Welcome in the mission construction concept. This channel is created by Pankaj Moria for SSCJ preparation. Today's session is for detailed analysis of SSCJ syllabus, SSCJ exam pattern, subject analysis, subject weightage analysis, and cutoff analysis. Now, without wasting time, we will try to explain the exam pattern of SSCJ for civil. Basically, today's lesson is for SSCJ technical analysis. Non-technical analysis will be in other lecture. Now, SSCJ exam pattern is classified in two stages. First stage, pre-paper. Paper first or pre. And second is stage paper second, mains paper. The paper second is 2 hours. And the paper first is of 2 hours. Both paper have equal time, but paper second has more weightage than first. The paper second is of 300 marks and paper first is of 200 marks. Paper first contain two portions. Paper part first non-technical portion and part second technical portion. Non-technical portion consists 100 marks of general awareness with 50 marks, and aptitude and reasoning of 50 marks. So, in 200 marks of paper first or stage first examination of SSCJ. Non-technical portion of 100 marks, non-technical portion of 100 marks, and technical portion of 100 marks. Non-technical portion consists of 50 marks of general awareness, and technical portion and other non-technical portion consists of 50 marks of aptitude and reasoning. The syllabus of non-technical portion, general awareness and aptitude and reasoning, will be discussed in other lecture, but technical portion will be discussed 2 days. The paper first is objective type paper. 100 questions are technical and 50 of non-technical question. Stage second paper. Paper 2 of SSCJ mains or SSCJ mains paper. It consists of 300 marks and time 2 hours, 120 minutes. According to my experience, the paper second is more tough than paper first because there is a no non-technical portion, but only technical portion. Technical portion in paper second requires full concept of civil engineering according to subject wise. In paper second, the time management is most required feature. So, this is all about the paper pattern of SSCJ. Next slide is for in chart pattern. The paper analysis are given. Paper pattern are given in this slide. You can see easily by pausing this video what is about this in this lecture. Okay. Next slide is for subject occurred in the paper, objective type paper and conventional type paper of SSCG. Subject building material. It consists more weightage in paper first, nearly about 10 to 15% marks, nearly about 10 to 15 questions in SSCG. Pre-paper or objective type question paper. Estimating costing, it is a solid number. It is solid portion because no more wasting time in preparation of estimating costing and valuation. Some definite topics consist in this syllabus of SSCG of estimating costing surveying. It is more weighted subject in not only in SSCG but also in ESC examination and PSUG examination. Soil mechanics, it is more advantageous subject for civil engineering technical course because without soil mechanics no can design any substructure of any structure. Substructure means foundation of any structure. Without foundation no structure can stand. So soil mechanics is basic function of civil engineering. But building material, it is also the backbone of civil engineering. So building material, soil mechanics and also surveying. Without surveying no can plan the structure, in which manner structure will be started. Hydraulics, it is the not more advantage in construction engineering but major construction engineering, but as design of boiler, hydraulic structure, the hydraulics is more advantageous and more significant. Hydraulic structure, because SSCJ is responsible for recruitment of different departments as Jal Nigam, PWD, irrigation, other boards. So irrigation and Jal Nigam are related to hydraulic structure design. Hydraulic is in this case more significant, and in the case of SSCJ paper first objective type, the hydraulic subject hydraulic more weightage required. Now the next subject is irrigation. It is a statistical subject without no hard portion is coming in previous year papers of SSCJ examination. Irrigation can be prepared easily by some definite topics in pre and mains both examination. Transportation engineering, it is statistical but more weightage in other examination as ESC examination and GATE examination. Environmental engineering, structural engineering as concrete technology. Concrete technology plays major role in the SSCJ pre-paper and second paper both, because in the according to my experience, the concrete technology, from concrete technology the question numbers are nearly about to ask 6 to 8 questions in 6 to 8 questions in each examination of SSCJ. In also mains paper, SSCJ mains paper, concrete technology ask nearly 10 numbers or 20 numbers question as workability test. etc. RCC design, it plays major role in the design of slab, beam, column, foundation, etc. And RCC design plays major role in the mains paper. Steel design, it is easy because rivet design, bolt design, tension member design, compression member design, beam design, etc. are frequently asked in SSCJ mains paper of 20, 15 or 10 numbers. Okay. Theory of structure, it is more tough than RCC design, steel design, and concrete technology. But theory of structure is not frequently asked in design of in the SSC means paper. This is the all about the subject included in the technical portion of SSC means of civil engineering. Now, next slide is according to previous year papers, the weightage analysis of subjects and numbers of questions asked in the papers. Now focused on in 2016 years, building material numbers of question is 20 to 22 means मोर नंबर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन 20 से 22 क्वेश्चन तक पूछे गए हैं बिल्डिंग मटेरियल के। 15 में 32 और 14 में 30, 28, 21, 30, 12। इस तरह से हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि बिल्डिंग मटेरियल के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन जो है SSC में पूछे जाते हैं। इसलिए बिल्डिंग मटेरियल को हमें ये बिल्डिंग मटेरियल पूरा थ्योरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट है, इसको मोर फ्रिक्वेंटली रिवाइज करना होगा। जितना अच्छा रिवाइज होगा, जितना इस पर हम ऑब्जेक्टिव MCQs लगाएंगे उतना ही अच्छा हमारा ये पोर्शन प्रिपेयर होगा। बिल्डिंग मटेरियल का सीधा सा फंडा है उसको तैयार करने का कि जितने अच्छे से पूरा एक बार पोर्शन हर एक टॉपिक हम कवर करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद इसके जितने अच्छे से अच्छे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा MCQs लगाएंगे अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होगा। अब नेक्स्ट आता है सर्वे 10 to 12 in 2015, 9 question in 10 to 12, 16, 9 question in 15, 10 question in 14 and 10, 14. Hence, we can take average as 10 and 11 question are asked in every SSC. In soil mechanics, 15 to 3, in 15, 6 to 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. Not more given, but soil mechanics also plays important role. Fluid, more question are asked in SSC from fluid. In 16, 10, in 15, 11, in 14, 10, 10. So we can say for SSC pre-examination cracking, fluid, building material and survey. It is basic subject. And also SOM. In SOM, in 2016, 10 to 12 question, in 15, 12 question asked, in 14, 13 question asked, 14 question asked, and in 13, 25 question asked, and in 2012, 26 question asked. According to these data, if take average, we can say that nearly about 12 to 15 questions are asked in SSC. First, in RCC and RCC question in 16, 10 to 12, in 15, 8, in 2014, 14 question, and 14, 11, 12, 10, 6, so on. The average number of questions asked in SSC paper first are nearly 10 to 12, can say. And still not more, but it is also a scoring subject. Now see about SSC 2018 papers analysis. Building material 10 to 12 question, concrete technology 10 to 12, surveying 10 to 12, hydraulics 10 to 12, SOM 10 to 12, RCC 10 to 12, design of steel sector 10 to 12, estimating casting 5 to 8, and soil mechanics 5 to 8. According to this data, we can say that in SSC first pattern of 2018, the equal weightage are given to all important subjects. So, on the basis of 2018 paper, we can say that in the future paper pattern will be slightly changed. मतलब बराबर वेटेज हर सब्जेक्ट को दिया जाएगा। SSC की ऐसी प्लानिंग हो सकती है। Now Next slide is the paper syllabus. Paper first syllabus, general intelligence and reasoning. Reasoning, it is more scoring in paper first. Nearly in 50 marks you can gain by the hard working nearly 45 numbers. I have also cleared my SSCJ exam paper first in 2016 examination and 2018 examination. In 2018, recent examination of paper first SSCJ, I have got 122 marks total, 124 marks total. But in reasoning, I have also gained 38 marks, and technical I have gained 78 marks, and general awareness I have gained only 11 marks, nearly 11 or 13, so not clear. But general intelligence and reasoning is more scoring subject in three papers. The syllabus of general intelligence, this syllabus is based on the SSCJ notification of 2020. The syllabus of reasoning is analogy, samrupta, similarity, samta, difference, vividta, space visualization, problem solving, analysis, judgment, decision making, visual memory, discrimination, observation, relationship concept, arithmetic reasoning, verbal and figure classification. It is very easy. Verbal and figure classification, it is easy, but require more practice. Arithmetic number series, it is also easy. And general awareness, according to me, I am not more strong in general awareness preparation, but I can provide further in later some tips for general awareness preparation. According to me, you can prepare the solid or statistical data for general awareness, as geography is more static subject of me. General polity, it is more advantages for all other examinations. Geography, general polity, and ancient history, and also modern history. You can culture. No weightage, no further weightage. More general awareness question, more current general awareness questions are put from current affairs. Nearly 5 to 8 questions asked in each year, each paper set of paper first. So more focus on current affairs, and further, if time is sufficient for you, then focus on statistical data as economics, science, scientific research, etc. Now next slide is analysis of detail about the civil engineering or syllabus of civil engineering. I have also explained the number and the names of syllabus in SSCJ paper first and second. Building material, I again explain the names of subjects: building material, estimating, costing, surveying, soil mechanics, irrigation, transportation engineering, environmental engineering. Structural engineering subject, theory of structure, concrete, RCC design. These subject, structural engineering subject, is more advantageous in paper second. Means this is the backbone of paper second. Paper second is nearly 300 marks within 2 hours. So command on these subjects as design purpose is more required. Now civil engineering paper. Syllabus of civil and structural engineering. Building materials, physical and chemical properties, classification, standard test. Physical and chemical properties, classification, standard test, usage and manufacturing of materials. Usage and manufacturing of materials. Building stone. More questions are asked from building stones in every year. From building stones, 2 to 3 questions, at least 2 to 3 and 4 questions are asked. Silicate based material as cement. More questions are asked from cement and more questions are asked from timber. And other are not more significant, but building materials subject is more significant for all other examination as ESC. In ESC, the building material weightage is more. About 15 to 20 questions, nearly 10 to 20, not statistical data, not fixed data, but 10 to 20 questions are asked in each pre-paper of ESC first. Now, estimating casting. The syllabus of estimating casting in SSCJ is more, but the questions asked are specified. It will be clear on the practice of MCQs in which type of question are asked in previous year pre-paper of SSC. Sinking fund question already asked. Salvage value definition. Salvage, what is salvage value, what is scrap value, and what is assessed value. Depreciation value. These values definition are directly asked in SSC question as MCQs. Estimating costing question, MCQs question are basically asked basis of the units also, as RCC work unit, shuttering work unit, timber work unit, painting work unit, plastering work unit, flooring work unit, boundary walls, brick walls. So these works are measured in which unit? This type direct question are asked in SSC pre-paper. And some question are asked volume of dry mortar, volume of dry concrete, are required mass of cement, required water of cement, quantity of required water. As such type of question are asked in sometimes in paper first. Surveying is very interesting subject and related to field of civil engineering. Principle of surveying. Some questions are directly asked from principle of surveying as working from whole to part to control the accumulation of error in the surveying process. Means in Hindi I can say that संपूर्ण से अंश की ओर सर्वे करना सर्वेक्षण कार्य में त्रुटियों को नियंत्रित करता है. Now measurement of distance and distance measurement instruments. Chain surveying. More questions are asked directly in chain surveying. Working of prismatic compass. Compass traversing. From compass traversing in SSC means traverse bearing correction, traverse error. These type questions are asked directly, 10 to 20 numbers. Local attraction. In pre, question asked directly from local attraction. And declination. Question asked from declination. If declination is not given, then declination is take more important than SSCJ are also in ESC and GATE paper. So, in compass survey, bearing, declination, local attraction, and traverse correction. Contouring. Directly questions are asked in contouring. Curvature and refraction correction. From curvature and refraction correction, directly question, numerical type question are asked in ESC and GATE, but in SSCJ free paper first, the formula type question are asked. Temporary or permanent adjust, sometimes require temporary and permanent adjust, and aim or objective of such type of temporary and permanent adjust basis question are asked. Method of contouring. Sometimes method of contouring is directly asked as for root survey. Cross leveling and profile leveling is done. This type of question is asked. Temporary and permanent adjust of temple level, it is completed. Contour map, tachyometric survey, curve setting, earthwork calculation. Formula for earthwork calculation, volume calculation, area calculation, different formula at trapezoidal 2/3 rule, 1/3 rule, 3/8 rule, and prismodal rules. These are frequently asked direct formula, and the question on this basis are also asked. And advanced surveying equipment sometimes advanced surveying equipment basis sometimes question are also asked as use of total station, tachyometric survey, electronic distance meter, auto level, etc. Now, syllabus of soil mechanics. I will circle the more significant topic of soil mechanics. Soil mechanics, it is I says in starting of the lecture that soil mechanics is the backbone of civil engineering. Origin of soil. Sometimes direct question are asked from origin of soil mechanics as arrangement of soil origin stages as origin of igneous rock, origin of sedimentary rock, origin of metamorphic rock. Origin cycle of soil, it will be explained in lecture further. Phase diagram. Some questions are directly asking from phase diagram as dry soil consists two-phase system, three-phase system, two-phase system with air and water, two-phase system with air, water and soil, two-phase system of air and solids. The correct answer is that in case of dry soil, two-phase system consists some portion of air and some portion of solid. Definition of void ratio. Some important definition of soil mechanics as void ratio, porosity, degree of saturation, different parameters, grain size distribution curve, and index properties of the soil, Atterberg limits, classification of soils, plasticity index. These topics are more important for the objective type questions. Permeability, determination of coefficient of permeability. Effective stress, quicksand condition, consolidation of soil, principle of consolidation. It is important from point of GATE and ESC examination. Degree of consolidation, pre-consolidation, normally consolidated clay. These topics are more for GATE and ESC examination. Laboratory compaction test. Question based on laboratory compaction test is directly asked. Maximum dry density and OAMC. This is also asked. passive earth pressure. In SSC mains paper, the direct questions are asked in active and passive earth pressure theories, and also questions are asked from bearing capacity of soil, plate load test, standard penetration test. These topics are more important for paper second of SSC. Hydraulics. Basically, hydraulics is more important for paper first of SSC. Fluid properties. In SSC, the topics are selected as fluid properties. From fluid properties, every year 2 to 3 questions are asked. From hydrostatics, also questions are asked. Bernoulli serum some questions are asked. Flow through pipe, some direct questions are asked. Flow in open channel, some direct questions are also asked. And like weirs, flames, spillways, pumps and turbines, not more questions are asked. But some statistical questions are asked from pumps and turbines. The hydraulic machines is not a strong subject of me, but I can give my best in the upcoming lectures of hydraulics. Next, theory of structure. Direct questions are asked from theory of structure. TOS. It is tough subject of civil engineering, but more practice of conventional type question and more concept visualization and more concept application in the theory of structure subject we can easily understand. Elasticity constant. It is easy. Types of beam, determinate and indeterminate. Questions are directly asked from determinacy and indeterminacy as number of static indeterminacy, number of kinematic indeterminacy, total indeterminacy of the given structure as beam or frame, etc. Frame, beam, etc. Moment and shear force diagram. It is the sum part. Moment and shear force diagram. Directly question from 15 numbers to 20 numbers. Tutra, SFD and BMD is asked in SSC paper second, mains paper. For mains strategy, some topics are cleared and some topics are specified easily. Every year, question based on SFD and BMD, shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. कर्तन आरेख और नमन आरेख पर आधारित क्वेश्चन प्रत्येक वर्ष पूछे जाते हैं और फिक्स्ड कंडीशन है उनकी. डिटर्मिनेट स्ट्रक्चर के लिए ही डायरेक्टली पूछा जाता है कभी कभी. इन रेयर केसेस इनडिटर्मिनेट स्ट्रक्चर के लिए एसएफडी और बीएमडी पूछ दिया जाता है. Torsion of circular section. Some questions are also asked based on the torsion in pre-paper. Critical load and column. In every year, one question is directly asked from critical load and column. Deflection of simply supported beam. Direct questions are asked. Slope and deflection of simply supported beam of cantilever. And direct question is also asked from bending moment and shear stress. Bending stress and shear stress of sections as channel section, rectangle section, circular section, etc. अब बारी आती है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सिविल इंजीनियरिंग की फील्ड में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट जो हमारा वेटेज पेपर फर्स्ट में वेटेज रखता है वो है कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी. विश्वास करें ये सबसे इजी और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट. इसे तैयार करना बहुत ही आसान है. जैसे बिल्डिंग मटेरियल को तैयार करना सबसे आसान है. प्रॉपर्टीज, एडवांटेज यूज ऑफ कंक्रीट. डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम concrete structure. Concrete as aggregate, cement aggregate, water cement ratio, workability. Every year one question is already asked from workability. Some specified topics as compaction, finishing, currying, and direct question. Methods of compaction as methods of compaction, finishing, currying, batching, placement, workability testing, and components of cement, concrete. These are asked in mains paper of SSCJ, nearly about 20 to 10 numbers every year. RCCD, it is more significant subject because in the structure section of engineering, civil engineering field, RCC structure are more suitable according to RCC design variation. We can implement our engineering knowledge in the real field. Design of RCC flexural beam. Every year, singly reinforced beam, doubly reinforced beam are design of slab. Direct questions are asked in paper second of SSCG of 20 to 25 numbers of question, marks of question. It plays important role in paper second of 300 numbers. Shear strength question, bond strength, design of singly reinforced beam, most important. Design of doubly reinforced beam, most important. Design of T-beam, important. One-way slab design, two-way slab design. Sometimes two-way slab design is more frequently asked in ESC papers. Design of isolated footing, also asked in sometimes SSCJ previous year paper. Reinforced brickworks, sometimes. In rare case asked. Columns, staircases, retaining walls, design questions may be based on limit state and working state method. But from 2012 to 13, limit state based question is more frequently asked. Steel design, not more important, but in steel design, in case of mains paper second, steel design more frequently asked as design of rivet connection, design of weld connection, design of tension member, design of compression member, design of beam, design of plate and girders are also asked in sometimes ESC paper. These are all about of the SSCJ subject syllabus, SSCJ technical syllabus of all subjects. And I have also mentioned the most important topics and subjects in SSCJ paper first and also in paper second. By the guidelines of this lecture, you can focus your strategy in cracking the SSCJ paper first and then after paper second. Thank you to all of